So let's take a look at a problem we can work out together. Alma had a 1 meter length of string. She cut off an 18 centimeter piece. What fraction of the string is cut off? Our friend down here is very kind to remind us that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we could write those 18 centimeters as 18 100ths. If we were to simplify it, we would divide by a common factor. 18 and 100 are both even numbers, so I'm going to divide it by 2 halves. 2 halves. I was getting a little ahead in my brain there. And that would give me 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 100 divided by 2 is 50, 9 50ths. 9 has another factor of 3, but 9 is not a factor for 50, and neither is 3. So this would be the answer that we could put right here as we write out our sentence. What fraction of the string is left? Well, if there are 100 centimeters, we cut 18, and we would subtract that from 100. Let's see, 100 minus 18. I just don't feel that fast at it this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and write it out here. And do my happy regrouping. Yay, regrouping! It's a superpower of place value, you guys. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 and 1 minus 1 is 8. So that would leave me with 82 hundredths. Now, I could write that all out with more steps, but if you just show me this stuff, you are good to go. Of course, 82 hundredths is not expressed in its simplest form, just like with 18 hundredths, both of these are even numbers, and so we can divide them by 2 halves. And when we do that, 82 divided by 2, oh my goodness, well, the 80 would be divided into 40, and the 2 would be divided into 1. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. We know that from studying money as younger students. So this is the answer that I would give right down here in its simplest form. All right. Now that was different a little bit than this fraction of a set problem. Judy bought a few pieces of fruit. 2/5 of them were pears. She bought 12 pears. How many pieces of fruit did Judy buy altogether? Do you see how we're using that fraction of thing, but now they're making you go backwards? Have you noticed that Math in Focus does that a lot? They're so wise. The more different angles you take, the better you learn it. It like literally strengthens the connections in your brain. I love it when your brains grow. So if we drew it all out, if this was all of Judy's fruit, I would probably label it myself. We don't know how much she has in all, there's the question mark, but we know that she divided it into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fifths. 2 of them are pairs, and 12 pairs. So 12 divided by 2, this is where we're finding the unit fraction, the 1. What is 1/5 here? And I think you've already figured out that would be 6. So 6 is 1/5. How many pieces of fruit did she buy altogether? Well, wouldn't that be 6 times 5? 6, 1, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. And 6 times 5 is 30. And so there we go.